afternoon everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Danny, also known as Street by Danny, and for today's video guys, we will be starting this vlog with a beach trip. So today guys, I'll be going to Zambales. And in a while, aalis na rin tayo, mag-road trip tayo to Zambales. I think mga around 3 to 4 hours ang natin biyahe. This trip is not a work trip, vacation lang ito guys. Pahinga muna tayo from all the work that we've been doing, and this is a sign guys na from time to time magpahinga rin tayo. Kasi deserve rin natin yun. So I think that's it guys. Let's go to Zambales. Share ko lang din pala guys. Gamit ko na yung Nike luggage. Ito yung bagong release ni Nike. So this is their first luggage na nilabas nila. And this is the medium size guys. So there's a small hand carry size and a large one. Pero ito yung medium guys. And yun ang gamit natin today. Hi guys, so we just arrived here at Zambales. We're walking now to the Airbnb Caravana Zambales. So magaganda ang reviews nitong Airbnb na to guys, and tingnan natin kung maganda nga. Parang mali ang aking choice na mag-suede.
Design na yung likod niya.
Air Force One.
Yung sole.
Oh.
Grabe.
Ulit.
Ganun na dyan.
Hi guys! So, nagbihis na ako kasi super init. Suot ko is yung Cinema Sun na cap. Itong Stussy shirt na nakuha ko sa live selling. And then, denim shorts lang guys. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo sa labas yung footwear ko. So, ito yung Crocs na Lego collaboration. So, tara guys, let's go. Meron ka pala pang fit check dito sa labas. Ang door pala is parang mirrorized. May bathtub pala dito, guys. Ooh, cool. S'mores, guys. Morning. Good morning. Ito kasi si Mike kasama namin, naghahanap ng kape. And yung kapehan kasi dito guys, doon siya sa may Liuliwa. So pupunta na kami doon ngayon. Thank you. Good morning guys! So, it's the next day. Hindi na ako naka-update sa inyo. Nung dumating kami dito from Zambales. Kasi sobrang pagod ko na nun guys and nakatulog na ako. So, anyways, gusto ko lang share sa inyo itong pair na to. Ay! Shoot guys! Wait lang! Mamaya ko na pala share to. Kasi nag-alarm na phone ko. May sasalihan ako na sneaker release sa sneakers guys. Wait lang. Itong release kasi na to guys is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Pink Series. And kung kilala nyo ako guys, favorite ko kasi ang Travis Scott na Jordan 1 Lows. Gawin ko muna to guys and balikan ko kayo mamaya. Hi guys! So while waiting for the results of the raffle that I joined, share ko lang itong sneaker na to. So this is the BBC Ice Cream Reebok Board Flip. So if you are a sneaker collector, for sure alam nyo itong sapatos na to. This was released 21 years ago guys. Noong 2005 siya ni-release ni Pharrell and Nigo. Sobrang iconic ng pair na to guys kasi this is a skate sneaker. Very big thing siya nung 2005 kasi nung time na yun, yung mga skate shoes na nilalabas was usually mga black, white. So, nung nilabas nila Pharrell itong sapatos na to, it was really a big thing kasi out of the box diba? Sobrang vibrant ng colors. It's really loud compared to other skate shoes nung panahon na yun. And there are two colorways that released guys dito sa Pinas. Pink lemonade colorway, tsaka yung watermelon colorway. So, ipop ko lang siya sa screen. And ito ang pinili ko guys kasi kakulay niya ang logo ng Schuster's. It's really really comfy. Pag ilagay mo yung paa mo dito para kang nakasurround ng pillow, ganun yung feeling niya. So talagang pang skate shoe talaga siya. And actually guys, alam ko lalabas sila ng iba pang colorways. So yun lang guys. Update ko kayo sa results ng raffle in a while. Okay guys, so I got one result na. Didn't get them guys. So we have one more entry guys. So let's see kung mananalo tayo or not. Hindi ko na nakuha yung reaction ko guys. Anyways, didn't get them rin ako dito sa Tropical. If it's not for me, it's not for me. Ganun lang guys. Alam niya na. Move on to the next sneaker. Actually, meron pa palang park access. So we'll see kung mananalo tayo dun guys. Bye!
Young guy, what it is, how you living up? Young thing, and she sing, let me beat it up. See me out in my ride, wanna key it up. You got a Kia, I got a Beamer. She got a Fiat, like Italian. She wanna ride out, I'm a stallion. See me styling, I'm a ride out. You right, it's a way that we drive to the high. It ain't
Trickin' if you know, baby you know, mama you are with the right man, Juno. Tell me what you wanna do, I will make it happen. I just wanna get you home and yes, I'm drinking whiskey, baby I am gone tonight. NBC is not the only thing I'm coming on tonight. Gross, why the fuck I say these things? It isn't over, haven't heard the chubby lady sing. Everybody love me, call a nigga Raymond. These weak niggas always in your face like Ray-Bans. Yes, I bring the heat, girl, fire for fireman. Baby, I'm your hero, Donald for Spider-Man. I'm in love with you, but this is not tennis. And baby, stay stat, like she bad at Tetris. Rude boy, I Rihanna that vagina. Tell your boy good luck trying to find ya.
Stussy guys na vintage.
Grateful Dead.
Ayun, Grateful Dead. Pero hindi tayo sure guys kung ano yan, legit na collab. May Pokemon guys.
Giant Tag Large.
Tingnan natin guys.
Mga OG na Pokemon. Ayan.
Dito ko na nilabas yung mga beret. Yan.
Sige, tingin kami. Tingin. Ang dami.
Hindi siya common.
True. Ang daming Nike beret guys. Pinipili ko muna anong mga itatry ko. Ang dami. Ito maliliit to mga to.
Oh, mga medium to eh. Sa peso lang. Dito lang nila dyan. Nice. Ano? Hindi. Kumbaga pag-AC nyo sa kanyang pinapat. Tayo po, Sarby. Okay.
Okay. Anong masabi nyo guys? Ito yung page nila. Kung gusto nyo ng mga Timberland, tsaka yung mga Nike Berry, check out nyo sila. Stussy Timberlands guys. So ayan guys, 8.5 siya guys.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Ayun, thank you. Yun, sticker. Salamat. Thank you.
Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Kasi sama ka sa vlog ko. Ayan, kasi match kami guys. Ikaw kanina lang. Match! Kasutawin tao. Ayan guys.
Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger.
Hi guys! So, nandito ako ngayon sa kotse kasi nagpapahinga ako. Kasi guys, it is already 4:44 PM and ang sobrang daming tao na guys. As in, sobrang sikip na sa loob ng GOD. So, medyo overwhelming siya. Pahinga lang muna kami dito sa car and then mamaya titingin na ulit tayo. So, may nakuha na ako na items pero papakita ko siya at the end of this video. So, yun lang guys. See ya!
I got the plug, I made the call.
Nandito kami sa labas. May performance na dyan sa loob. And tingnan nyo, makita mo pala yung performance from here. Ayan. Kita siya dito guys. Ang saya talaga ng GOD na events. So, thank you to the GOD team, Season Pass, Doug Brock, for always organizing this event every year for us. I'll see you guys later.
Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Bye, GOD. We out. Good morning guys! So it's the next day and sorry guys hindi ako naka-update last night kasi sobrang pagod ko na as in. Ang aking social battery guys as in 0% na. So ito na ang hinihintay nyo guys, yung aking GOD haul. So actually guys, I just bought 2 items and masasabi ko naman guys yung mga items na nakuha ko is ganda talaga. So, let's start the haul. Yung 2 items na nabili ko, I only bought it from one store. So, ito yung store, guys. Ang cool, guys. Tsaka, sobrang bait ng mga sellers dun, guys. Follow nyo sila, guys. Ito yung kanilang page. Sobrang ganda ng mga items nila, especially kung mahilig kayo sa streetwear. So, ito yung first item na nakuha ko, guys. Stussy na hat. Nung nakita ko siya guys, sobrang nagandahan ako sa color niya kasi brown-green. Tapos yung embroidered S niya is yellow. Tapos may Stussy pa siya dito sa likod. Ito yung tag niya guys. Kita niyo ba? Sobrang steal nang nakuha ko dito sa hat na to guys. Nakuha ko siya for only 900 pesos. Try ko para makita niyo. Parang dad hat. Ayan guys. O nga pala guys, shout out sa Whip Caps. Isa to sa mga favorite caps ko ngayon. So check out nyo rin sila. And then next, super excited ako dito. So ito yung second. So it is a Nike Ambush running cap guys. Tapos ang cute guys kasi short brim siya. Tingnan mo yung inside. And then the tag, ito guys. Alam mong legit talaga. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. Pwede siya ganito. Pang bike, pang running, pwede rin siya pang style. Tsaka, I'm a really big fan of Yun Ambush kasi. Really good purchase ito. So, I got this for 1K. So, iwawash ko na lang to guys and then magiging mukhang brand new na siya. I think that's it for my GOD6 haul. And guys, rinig ko, my GOD7 daw this year. I think November daw 2026. Actually guys, nandun ako sa GOD yesterday. Bigla ko na-miss ang MSE, yung Manila Sneaker Expo. Nakaka-miss rin ang MSE kasi daming sapatos, meron rin pa naman streetwear, meron rin pa naman mga thrift items. Pero nakakatuwa lang makita yung mga sneakerhead community doon. Especially you guys, diba? Yung mga nagsusupport sa akin through the years. Grabe na-realize ko guys, ilan years ko na rin pala ginagawa itong Street by Dani. And I just want to thank you guys for always supporting me. Sorry guys, super na-appreciate ko guys. Promise, as in. And kahit tahimik ako guys, hindi ko napapakita masyado yung appreciation ko. Gusto ko lang malaman nyo that I'm so thankful for you guys. So yeah, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, I hope you guys can subscribe here on my YouTube channel, Street by Dani. And if you haven't followed me yet, on my socials, you can follow me at Street by Dani on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. And yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching guys and reaching till the end. And comment kayo, just do it sa baba guys para alam kong umabot kayo sa end ng video na to. So I think that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining me again and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Dani out!